bring in May Mailman, senior legal fellow at the Independent Women's Forum. Mark Zuckerberg first testified about the effects of Facebook on Capitol Hill 5 years ago. Has Meta done nothing to address these concerns?
Meta would say that they've done a lot of things. They've put in time limits, for example, on Instagram. But the lawsuit alleges that all of these guardrails that have been put in can easily be avoided, and mostly that there was deception here. That yes, you might have acknowledged that there was some amount of addiction, but you so undersold it that that lie is what the attorneys general are going after.
But the filing is claiming Meta repeatedly misled the public. Those are the lies I think you're talking about, and knowingly violated the law. Which law?
So they are alleging a lot of laws here. So there's one, which is a child protection law, that if you're collecting data from kids 12 and under, that you need parental consent. So they're saying that that law is violated, but you have to knowingly be collecting data from kids 12 and under. It can't be some kid using their parent's phone or some kid saying that they're 15 and you have no idea that they're actually 12. And then they're alleging violations of all of these different state consumer protection laws. And those consumer protection laws involve lying to the public, saying that, hey, guess what? These Eggos have whole grains, but they actually don't have whole grains, that type of consumer protection law. And in that case, you actually do have to have some intent, knowing that you're lying to the public. So that's why they have to allege this knowingly element.
Then the states are also alleging Meta intentionally made their platforms to be addictive to kids. What's the difference between what they do and what, say, a video game company does?
Yeah, so if you have a website service that really does target kids, homework help, cartoons, stuff like that, those websites all have disclaimers. They say, we are collecting your information. They have parental notification. They have all these guardrails that are required by law. So the problem that they're alleging is that Meta, so Instagram, Facebook, is targeted to kids, but doesn't have those same guardrails. So it's not like a kid-focused video game that does have the guardrails. I think that Meta would say, no, we're not. It's, we're targeting adults. People have to have email addresses. This is an adult endeavor, and kids happen to be on it, but it's not because we're targeting them.
Yeah, and I remember there was some talk about having a kid version of Instagram versus the grown-up version that everybody uses, but that kind of fell apart. It'll be interesting to see how Meta defends itself. Thank you, May.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.